Yes, Kevin.
Y is greater than or equal to 0.
Greater than or equal to 0, but it stopped at 6.
Oh, I
Right?
It's like infinite.
No, it stopped. Yeah, so I'm talking about this exact graph.
Oh, my bad.
So this range for the function f is from 0 to 6. Does that make sense? Okay. Christine, what do you think about the range for g? There's a picture, right? It's that blue line.
-4 is less than or equal to y, and less than or equal to
4.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, 3.8. You're right. Good. Excellent. It's like obvious, right? You just have to learn to read the picture. That's it. So this is actually a little bit more challenging. Unlike domain, you don't find the intersection between the two. Okay, you don't find the intersection. So in the sum, you can get any one of these x values. So like, if you were to actually regraph this, by the way, this graph would only, where would it start from? If you're to combine these two pictures and draw it. Where would the picture start from? What number of x? Here. No, it will start at -2. This will just go away. Because those x values you cannot put into the blue picture. Okay, so if the new picture of f plus g will start from -2 and it'll finish at 4. So that was a domain, the combined domain. The range, you have to think about, okay, look. Here's -4, right? But look, if you add the orange, so let me actually zoom in here. Here is the y value for -2 for g, and here is the y value for f. If you're to add those two, do you see how they get chopped off about there, and then the graph will, the point will be about there? Okay, what I just did was to add this y value here with this red y value. If you were to add those two y values, wouldn't it become something around there?
Okay.
Because it would be this red line subtracted by the blue line.
So the entire blue line, or just that small?
This blue line. This is the y value right there on the function. So if you add them up, you get about here, right? Yeah. So this is going to happen for every single value of x. So here it's going to be up here, way up here. And also here it's going to be way up here too, because the other function is 0. So the highest value that you can add up to is definitely 6. What would be the lowest value?
-4.
So can it ever actually approach -4? Can it actually get there?
Yes.
No, right? Because look, the lowest point will be here, but then it gets compensated, it gets added by some positive number, right? So about there will be the lowest point, and we can't really tell by looking at the picture exactly how we can do this. This is something we have to do by graphically. Okay, so this is we need more info. But I just want to give you an idea like how that is a more complicated problem than doing the domain. Okay, the range and domain is not the same the way you do it. But if I gave an information on exactly what that value is, you can say, so if that was like -3, you can say it's from -3 to like 6. But we don't know that for sure.